Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
Sportbiketrackgear.com. Today we're going to break down a super closeout special we have, the Motonation Europa Textile Jacket. Okay, let's dive right into this. $69.99. An incredible price on a very versatile jacket from our friends at Motonation. This company is going away now, right? So we bought all the inventory they had in this jacket because we liked it a lot, and we're offering it to you at a rock bottom price. Tons of value in this jacket.
Gnarly price, yeah. Tons of value for sure. When I put it on, I was honestly surprised at the feel of it. $70 jacket. I was like, man, I hope this doesn't feel like a Nike hoodie. I'm going to say it's a lot better than a Nike hoodie.
Oh, 100%. It's a nice jacket. That's why we went ahead and did this. I think this makes sense for sport bike riders, sport touring, touring riders.
Yep.
Heavily vented jacket that has a fully removable, breathable, RESA waterproof liner. I'll show you that in the second part of the video when we get this off of Max. Let's talk sizing a little bit.
So I am 5'11", say around 155 pounds, and I'm wearing a small one if it's pretty good.
Give him a quick spin.
Yeah, all right.
The jacket still has the removable inner liner in it. It really doesn't take up a lot of volume, but it does influence the fit just a little bit. We've got volume adjusters here in the cuff, forearm, bicep, down here in the waist of the jacket.
Yep.
Look at the mesh panels just everywhere. Nice quality mesh. The rest of the textile exterior you see is 600 denier stuff. Little quilted detail here on the arm looks super nice. Comfort lined collar. Nice zipper pulls with Motonation too. The pockets they put in the jackets are good size, so you can actually get your hand in and out of it if you're wearing a glove.
Very, very true.
Which is nice. Nice zipper pulls. The collar, if you want to ride with it open, it has a little latch where you can secure it like this.
That'd be nice.
It comes with CE certified armor in the elbow and forearm as well as the shoulder.
Yeah.
There is a back pad in the jacket. It's a foam pad. I'll show you in the second part of the video. It does not have any certification, but it does offer an additional measure of protection. Reflective piping spans all the way across the shoulders. It's available in 2 different colorways. You'll see both of those on the website. Tremendous value.
For sure. It's a great, great jacket. And if you had more questions, you can give me a call. And I will most likely be picking up the phone and answering them.
Extension 248,
Extension
man.
248. And I was surprised, like I said again, when I was told we were doing a jacket video, $70. I'm like, well, let's see how it is. And again, you can buy a Nike hoodie. That's $50-$60 right there.
This is going to be money well spent. People are going to get this and they're going to be super stoked about it. Full disclosure, when I ordered all these jackets, when they came in, he comes and goes, Dad, what are you doing? And then he put it on and he's like, dude, this is a great jacket. This is a great value.
Yeah, for $70, I mean, you can honestly ride this. If you're a California rider or a Southern rider, you can ride this all seasons, truth be told. And maybe like later spring, early fall, throughout the summer, take the liner out, and for the rest of the season, keep it in.
High airflow, dude. There's mesh everywhere. It's going to be a great jacket.
Great jacket.
For not cold weather because there's really no insulated layers, but for cooler weather where you just need to break the wind, you have that waterproof, breathable, removable inner jacket, right? And then for the warm stuff, which is what we all want to ride in, there is mesh everywhere for tremendous airflow. Stay tuned for part 2. I'll take it off, take it apart, give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, the Europa jacket from the inside out, like we talked about earlier. Here's the waterproof, breathable inner membrane. And what they did here is this is full sleeve and vest, multiple attachment points. You got 2 places to secure it in the cuff. You've got one that secures it right here, just above the waist. And then you have a zip that comes all the way from the bottom of the waist, spans across the shoulders, right back down to the waist. What that does, it really secures it and holds it in place. So to have true waterproof storage, it's best done on the inside of this liner. So what they've done, got a couple of storage pockets here with Velcro closure. You can see the one on the left side is pretty big. The one on the right is going to be more cell phone sized. Okay, a little expandable pocket there. Mesh liner on the inside of this, that creates a little space between you and the waterproof liner. Makes it much more comfortable. Here is the foam back pad. No CE certification, but it does offer a measure of protection. Pretty basic soft shell CE certified armor in the shoulder and the elbow and forearm. Shell of the jacket itself. Good quality fabrics used, 600 denier, reflective piping, large mesh panels, volume adjustment. We showed you all that stuff earlier on in the video. You get inside the coat. We have mirror image of the storage pockets we showed you on the removable, breathable waterproof membrane, right and left sides. Also, on the left side here at the breast, there is a waterproof storage pocket with a zip. This pocket is accessible when you have the removable waterproof layer inside the jacket as well. They try to build a lot of functionality into this jacket. You can see like even the size of the zipper pulls, they're done like this with a little cord on it to make sure that you're able to use them when you have gloves on and you're out riding, which is obviously when you're going to be wearing this, you don't have to take your gloves off just to undo the zipper on the jacket. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride. This jacket is going to be a limited time only thing. When the inventory sells out, it's going to be gone, and at $69.99, this value is going to be really hard to beat.